Retirement doesn't have to mean the end of earning potential. Many retirees are discovering flexible and rewarding ways to supplement their income, stay active, and pursue their passions.
Hi, I'm Sandy Ingram, the publisher of the Budget Retirement Options channel. I am from Northern California, retired and traveling the world slowly. All information on this channel is verifiable.
Here are 16 side jobs that can help retirees earn extra money in their spare time.
1. Rent out spare room. If you have an unused room, consider renting it out through platforms like Airbnb or Spare Room. Additionally, renting out storage space, driveways, or garages can provide steady income.
2. Offer handyman services. Leverage your DIY skills by offering handyman services in your community. Tasks like painting, minor repairs, or assembling furniture are always in demand.
3. Teach or tutor. Share your knowledge by teaching a subject you're passionate about. This could be academic tutoring, music lessons, or even teaching English as a second language online.
4. Sell handmade crafts. If you're crafty, sell your handmade items on platforms like Etsy. Whether it's jewelry, knitted goods, or artwork, there's a market for unique handmade products.
5. Pet sitting and dog walking. Animal lovers can offer pet sitting or dog walking services. Websites like Rover connect pet owners with trusted caregivers.
6. Participate in online surveys. Companies value consumer opinions. Participate in online surveys or focus groups to earn gift cards or cash.
7. Freelance writing or editing. Use your writing skills to freelance for blogs, websites, or local publications. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can help you find clients.
8. Sell unused items. Declutter your home and make money by selling items on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or local consignment.
9. Gardening services. Offer gardening or landscaping services in your neighborhood. Many people need help with lawn care, planting, or garden maintenance.
10. Rent out equipment. If you own tools, camping gear, or other equipment, consider renting them out through platforms like Fat Llama.
11. Become a tour guide. Share your local knowledge by offering guided tours in your area. This is especially viable in tourist-friendly locations.
12. Provide childcare. Offer babysitting or nanny services. Many parents seek experienced caregivers for their children.
13. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Share your experiences, hobbies, or expertise online. With consistent content, you can monetize through ads or sponsorships.
14. House sitting. Take care of someone's home while they're away. Responsibilities may include collecting mail, watering plants, or general upkeep.
15. Drive for ride-sharing services. If you enjoy driving, consider working for ride-sharing companies like Uber or Lyft. You can set your own schedule and work as much or as little as you like. 16 is a bonus recommendation. Write short how-to books in Amazon's Kindle bookstore. When you improve people's skill set using your own experience, this can be a game changer in supplementing your monthly income.
If you want to know how I and thousands of digital nomads and retirees support ourselves while traveling full-time, check out my free book, Remote Jobs for Retirees. The link is in the description. Stay on the mailing list and receive free nonfiction book giveaways each month from top-ranking authors.